Morning, Miss Wilma. Do you have anything to say to the camera? Can you smile for your pop-pop? Can't see me smiling, can you? Wilma! Wilma! Can you see me here?
Wilma, look at your pop-pop.
Wilma!
Wilma, what is it?
Yeah! Can you do anything interesting?
Yes.
Yeah! Give us a smile. Yeah, there's a smile. There's a bubbly head.
Good girl.
Yeah. There's Wilma. She doesn't do much yet, but this is what she does. She bubbles around. Good girl, yes.
Should I show the sit-up, stand-up thing?
Sure.
Okay, Wilma, do you want to sit up?
This is really cool. You don't know what you're about to watch.
Oh, your foot's gonna get caught. Nope, she doesn't want to stand up. Ta-da!
Oh, look, and then... Yeah, there's the Wilma honk. Hi, Wilma. Yeah, there's the pretty girl. Okay, everybody, that's enough from the Wilma Show. Goodbye. Ooh.